If you clicked on a video called 7 Habits Killing Your Face Glow, fix this and transform fast, let me confirm right now. Yes, this is exactly that video. You didn't click the wrong thing. I'm Dr. Morin, and you're watching Vita Docs. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the everyday habits quietly destroying your natural glow and what to do instead so you start seeing a visible change in around 7 days. Keep listening till the end because the last habit is the most underrated one, and it often decides whether you look fresh and attractive or permanently tired. Think about when your face looks the most dull and exhausted. It's usually after those late nights when you're scrolling on your phone, watching just one more video, and suddenly it's 2 a.m. Night is when your body is designed to repair itself. Your skin restores its barrier. Your body makes collagen. Your hormones reset. When you cut that time short, you force your skin to survive instead of recover. That's why even if you splash cold water on your face in the morning, the freshness still feels missing. With proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is able to make enough collagen to keep your skin firm, smooth, and glowing. When your sleep is broken and your sleeping time keeps shifting, collagen production drops and your face starts to look older, saggy, and lifeless. Treat sleeping earlier as your most basic skincare step. Even if you did nothing else, just fixing your sleep routine would start bringing back your natural glow. Another quiet skin killer is something almost everyone does without realizing it: constantly touching your face. All day you're handling your phone, laptop, door handles, bus rails, cash, and then those same fingers land on your cheeks, chin, and forehead. That's how bacteria, dirt, and oil get transferred straight into your pores. Over time, this clogs them, triggers inflammation, and gives you blackheads and breakouts. You might think you're just resting your face in your hand while studying or scrolling, but you're actually spreading germs over your skin. No cleanser or spot treatment can fully fix your acne if you keep doing this. Make a simple rule for yourself. Your face should only be touched with clean hands, a clean towel, or your skincare products. The less you lean on your hands, the clearer and calmer your skin will look. Your glow is also directly related to how much water you drink. When your body is dehydrated, your skin feels tight, rough, and lifeless, and fine lines become more visible. In that state, even the most expensive moisturizers only work on the surface. They cannot replace the water your cells are missing from the inside. Water is what keeps blood flowing smoothly to your skin, helps flush out toxins, and maintain that soft, plump, alive look. Many people think they have a naturally dull face, when the truth is they are simply not hydrated. Try this for 1 week. Consistently drink around 3 to 4 liters of water spread through the day, adjusting a bit for your climate and activity level. You'll notice less tiredness, softer skin, and a more natural freshness even without makeup or filters. There's another habit most people ignore until the damage is already built up: skipping sunscreen. Many still think sunscreen is only for beach days or extreme heat. In reality, UV rays reach you almost everywhere, through windows, on cloudy days, even when you're sitting near sunlight indoors. These rays slowly break down collagen and elastin in your skin, leading to wrinkles, pigmentation, uneven tone, and that burnt and tired look. Sunscreen is like an invisible shield that protects your skin from premature aging and tanning. Make it a non-negotiable step every single morning after washing your face, whether you're going out or staying at home. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and be consistent. In about 2 weeks, most people notice their skin tone looking more even and that over-tanned, damaged look starting to fade. Now let's talk about something that tastes good but quietly harms your face from inside: excess sugar. When you regularly consume soft drinks, chocolates, bakery items, pastries, sweetened coffees, and energy drinks, you trigger a process in your body that weakens collagen. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin tight, smooth, and youthful. Too much sugar leads to stiff, damaged collagen fibers, looser skin, more visible pores, and an older, more tired appearance even if you're still in your late teens or early 20s. Sugar also interferes with hormones and oil production, which means more breakouts, more shine in the wrong areas, and overall dullness. If you genuinely want your face to improve, start by cutting down processed sugar. Park the sodas, packaged juices, and desserts for at least 10 to 15 days and switch to fruits, dates, dry fruits, and other natural sweet options. You'll feel like your skin is finally able to breathe, and that heavy, congested look will start to reduce. There's another habit that looks harmless but affects even the structure of your face: breathing through your mouth all the time. When you mouth breathe, oxygen exchange isn't as efficient. and over time, your face can look more puffy and tired. Your jawline may appear softer, and your skin can look dull because circulation isn't at its best. Most people don't even notice they're doing this, especially while using their phone, working, or sleeping. Nose breathing, on the other hand, filters, warms, and moisturizes the air and supports better oxygen delivery and blood flow to your skin and brain. It's also better for your posture and overall energy. From today, start paying attention. Keep your lips gently closed and breathe through your nose, especially during workouts, studying, or long scrolling sessions. Give it 1 week of conscious effort and you'll often notice less puffiness and a tighter, more awake look. Finally, let's talk about a habit that damages your skin slowly but very consistently: overusing skincare products. In the race for instant results, many people keep switching between new face washes, scrubs, toners, peels, and serums every few days. The skin has its own natural balance of oils and pH. When you overload it with too many products or harsh active ingredients, you destroy its protective barrier. The result? Your skin swings to extremes, either overly oily and breakout prone, or so dry and irritated that it looks rough, flaky, and dull. More products do not automatically mean more care. In most cases, a simple, consistent routine gives better results. Focus on 3 basics: a gentle cleanser, a light moisturizer that suits your skin type, and a good sunscreen in the daytime. That alone is enough for most people to achieve healthy and glowing skin. Once you stop attacking your skin and give it time to recover, you'll often be surprised how much better it looks with fewer products. So if your face isn't improving despite all the creams and routines, it's usually because of these daily habits, not a lack of products. Fix your sleep, keep your hands off your face, hydrate properly, protect yourself from the sun, control your sugar, breathe through your nose, and simplify your skincare. Your glow will start to return from the inside out. If you want to keep transforming your health and looks in a scientific, realistic way, stay with Vita. I'm Dr. Morin, and on this channel, we go deep into skin, hormones, sleep, nutrition, and overall health. After this video, check out my other videos on health and lifestyle so you can keep leveling up your body and your appearance step by step.